Hi, this is Linda with Crafty Music Maker. Today is our Halloween edition of Recorder Playing. Now, you may have already played this Halloween song on a previous video if you've been staying with my series, but today we're going to read and play the song. But before we get to the Halloween song, let's go ahead and review our low E key. That's our thumb for our left hand on the back. 1, 2, 3. Remember that's G. Put that right hand thumb behind that fourth hole and 2 fingers down for that low E. Just like that. Now there's a really easy song to practice that, and that's Rain, Rain. Remember to sit up tall. Remember, tongue every note. Do, 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 do. And breathe a nice steady breath. And let's do Rain, Rain. Let's chin it once. G, E, G, G, E, G, G, E, G, G, E. All right, let's go ahead and play and read it. All right, let's go on to our Halloween song. This one is called Skin and Bones, and it goes like this. There was an old woman, all skin and bones. Ooh, she lived down by the old graveyard. Ooh, one night she thought she'd take a walk. Ooh, she walked down by the old graveyard. Ooh, she saw the bones all lying around. Ooh, she went to the closet to get a broom. Ooh, she opened the door and boom! I love that song. Let's go ahead and play it. So last time we did our chin, and this one is obviously you repeat as many times as you want. If you're not singing it though, then it gets a little boring because the words are what's make it a fun song. Well, we start on our chin and we're going to play E. That's left hand all down and then 2 fingers on your right hand. We go E, G, G, E, G, G, just that much. E, G, G, E, G, G. Good. Now this time let's add an A. E, G, G, E, G, G, E, G, A. Try that again. E, G, G, E, G, G, E, G, A. And this time let's just add an E. E, G, G, E, G, G, E, G, A, E. So we're going from A to E. 3 fingers down at once, all right? Let's play it. Let's do it again. And the ooh, 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 ooh part is just B, A, G, E. Try it again. B, A, G, E. Let's play that. One more time. Let's put it together. Ready? So let's go ahead and play it and read it. Let's do it one more time. All right, now this time, let's go ahead and play it a little faster. Let's do it one more time. In fact, this time, let's do it 2 times in a row. Please be sure to play that on Halloween. Trick or treat!